Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you the December 2021 Lots of Pun Paper Pumpkin Kit. So this kit it came with 3 different card designs as shown here in the instructions. So I will show you those in a moment. And then there was, again, some ideas on the back there as to other things that you could do. It came with this stamp set. Let's see if I can turn it the right way up so you can see. There's lots of different ones there. Came with your adhesives, both dimensionals and just some sticky dots. There was some die cuts. You can see I used all the Hello one, which you'll see shortly. There was some vellum die cuts, some other colored die cuts. Okay, some fruit and toast and eggs, and then some shapes, other shapes here with some little dialogue boxes. And there was these little adhesives embellishments you can see there. Oops, let's see if I can make it so that it focuses a little easier for you. And there was enough stuff to make 9 cards, so there was 9 sets of envelopes in here. Of 3 different designs. So the cards I did, here's one of the suggested ones. There was another one in the instructions, and where's the third one? Here's the other one. So some of the alternatives I've made is this one here, a toast to your success. Well, this one's just a hello. I didn't put any of the fruit in that one. Celebrate, go bananas. I pick you with some of the cherries. Could use that for Valentine's Day coming up. I took the egg die cuts and made them into flowers for this one with just a little hello, and then I just hand drew the stems with just one of our Stampin' markers. Okay, and thanks a bunch. So at first I thought I was going to have a bit of a challenge with this paper pumpkin kit, but as you can see, I managed to find a variety of different cards to make with them. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Paper Crafting with Tracy. Please subscribe to the channel, and happy stamping!